Watts provides state-of-the-art specification tools, trainings, and optimized BIM data to make your job easier. Click Visit Resource Center. Produce customized specifications with the ATS Spec tool. Search and download our BIM content, and download our technical specifications through MasterSpec. That includes 3-part CSI formatted specification text. You can also register for our Continuing Education Center courses, download a case study, and use one of our sizing tools. We provide a hands-on learning experience at our Watts Works Learning Centers. Or consider having a Watts rep visit your site for in-office training. We're always on the road exhibiting our brands and products at a variety of industry trade shows. Check our upcoming events page off watts.com to see where we are and stop by.